So this will be my fourth example in solving rational equations, and the given rational equation is 2x minus 1 all over x squared minus 2x minus 15 plus 3 over x plus 3 equals 1 over x minus 5. So the first thing that we're going to do is to identify the restrictions in the denominator of the given rational equations. So paano yon? So we determine first the factor of this trinomial. We have 2x minus 1 all over, what is the factor of that trinomial? So the factor of this trinomial is, this is the product of two binomials. So we have x and x. Then for negative 15, that will result to negative 2x is 5 and 3. Because 5 minus 3 is 2. So therefore, negative 5 here, positive 3 here. Okay? So check natin. X times x is x squared. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. For the middle term, product of the means plus product of the extremes. So 3x minus 5x is negative 2x. So tama. So we have here 3 over x plus 3 equals 1 over x minus 5. So ma-identify na natin yung restriction sa denominators natin. So dito, hindi pwede maging negative 3 kasi magiging 0. Hindi rin pwede maging positive 5 kasi magiging 0 to. 0 times this is 0. So hindi rin pwede maging negative 3 dito, hindi rin pwede maging positive 5 dito. Kasi magiging 0 yung ating denominator. So therefore, the restrictions are x not equal to negative 3 and x not equal to positive 5. Yun yung restriction sa ating denominator. Okay. So now we have the restrictions, yun ang hindi pwede maging value na x. We are now ready in solving this rational equation. So paano? So pagsamahin natin ito, tsaka ito. So hindi pwede. Okay? So paano natin pagsasamahin? Hindi kailangan maging pare-parehas ang kanilang mga denominators. Okay? Gawin muna natin pare-parehas ang denominators ganito. So we have 2x minus 1 over x plus 3 over x minus 5. So ito yung kompletong denominator eh. So dito, sa isang denominator na to, ang nawawala na lang is x minus 5 kasi may x plus 3 na siya. So gawin natin ganito ang kanyang denominator by multiplying the numerator and denominator by x minus 5. That is one fundamental principle of fraction. Fraction multiplied by a fraction equal to 1 does not change the original value of the fraction. So, pwede yan. Kasi this is equal to 1. How about yung right side? And then, kulang na lang siya ng x plus 3. So, we have here, I'm going to multiply here x plus 3 on top. X plus 3 rin sa denominator. Okay. So, we have 2x minus 1 over x plus 3 times x minus 5. So, ano nangyari dun sa isang expression, rational expression? We have 3x minus 15 all over, we have now x plus 3 and x minus 5. Sa kabila, we have 1 times x plus 3 is x plus 3. We have also x plus 3 and x minus 5. Yeah. Now, since pare-pares na kanyang mga denominators, if we multiply both sides by this denominator natin, matatanggal ang kanyang mga denominators na. So, this multiply to this, cancel ang denominator na to. So, matitira na lang ay nasa numerator, 2x minus 1. Ganun din dito. Matitira na lang yung numerator, 3x minus 15. Ganun din sa right side of the equation. Matitira na lang is x plus 3. Okay? So, transpose natin lahat ng terms na may x variable, lahat ng constant terms sa right side. So, we have 5x minus x equals, this will be 3. Negative 1 and negative 15 is negative 16. Lipat sa kanan, that will become positive 16. So, we have 4x equals 19. So we divide both sides by 4, therefore x equals 19 over 4. So that is the solution to this rational equation. Let us check if our answer is correct by substituting the computed value of x to the original equation. Okay? Check natin. Okay, check na natin yung ating na-compute na value ng x, which is 19 over 4. I'm going to substitute this to the original equation. So we have 2 times x, or that is 2 times 19 over 4 minus 1 all over 19 over 4 squared minus 2 times 19 over 4 minus 15 plus 3 over 19 over 4 plus 3 equals 1 over 19 over 4 minus 5. Okay? On top, so we can cancel out 2 and 4. This will be 1, this is 2. Okay? So the result will be 19 over 2 minus 1. We have 19 squared is 361. And 4 squared is 16. Minus again, cancel din to. That will be 1 on top. We have 2 here, 19 over 2. Minus 15. Plus 3 over 4 times 3 is 12. So 19 plus 12 over 4 equals 1 over 4 times 5 is 20. So 19 minus 20 over 4. Okay. Next. Then we have 2 times 1 is 2. So that will be 19 minus 2. Okay. Hindi na si kasya. Purahin ko to. So 19 over 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. So 19 minus 2 over 2. We have LCD is 16. 16 divided by 16 is 1 times 361. That will be 361. 16 divided by 2 is 8 times 19 is 152. So minus 152. So we have 1 here. 1 divided by 16 is 16 times 16 divided 1 is 16 times 15 is equal to 240. So we have negative 240 here. We have plus 3 over 21 over 4. 31 over 4 equals, we have 1 over negative 1 over 4. Okay. Now, we have 17 over 2. 17 over 2 all over sa ilalim, that will be 361 minus 152 minus 240 equal to negative 31. So we have negative 31 over 16 equals, so diretso ko na, that will be 3 divided by 31 over 4, and that will be 3 times 4 over 31 equals 1 times negative 4 over 1. Okay? So next is this one. So we have 17 over 2 times 16 over negative 31. Yeah. So cancel natin to. Sorry. Mali ito. It should be plus. So we have 12 over 31 equals negative 4. Okay. So we have 17. This will be 8. 17 times 8. 136. So we have 136 over negative 31 plus 12 over 31 equals negative 4. So we have 136. So ilagay ko lang yung negative sign dito. So that will be para pares ang kanyang denominators. So negative 136 plus 12, that will be negative 124 over 31 should equal to negative 4. And if we're going to divide 124 by 31, that is 124 divided by 31, that is equals to 4. Since we have here a negative sign, therefore, negative 4 equals negative 4. So therefore, our answer is correct. The solution to that rational equation is x should be equal to 19 over 4. So thank you. So I'm going to give you activity sheet for this topic. Thank you. Goodbye.